night is devastated. The fire takes the darkness, put the night into the tide, until it is like a firestorm. Rock the ocean at the tide, build the tide up. Put the night into the flame, flooding is unstoppable. The drops are now flooding without it control. It's soon erupting for every spark and shadow in the flame. The spark is without control. If it isn't nowhere, put the night into the water. If the shadow at the night is silent, if the darkness nowhere while the water is weaker than the spark, put the flame with the water into battle. Rock it with the drops flooding, rock the waves with battle. Build the water up, otherwise put the flame into power. Rock it with the drops, the spark, rock the waves with power. Build the drops up, otherwise if the darkness is nowhere while the water is weaker than the storm, rock the ocean at the tide in battle. Build the water up, otherwise rock the flame into the ocean at the spark. The flames with the spark, put nobody to the battle. Let the storm be the waves overflooding, until the storm is gone, knock the storm down. Put the waves of the storm into fire, roll fire into the sea, roll fire into the blaze, roll fire into the tide. The fight is flaming hot, cast it into the fog. The light is gone, for the current and shadows in the ocean. If the current isn't gone and shadows are as strong as the tide, if the current at the night is weaker than the fog, let the fog be the current at the night. Put shadows into the light. The light is right. If the fog is weaker than the sea, put the fog into the sea. Waves down the ocean at the light, pull it into tornadoes. If the darkness isn't gone, the light is without the tide. Let the surge be the ocean at the light. The fog is with the tide, shatter silence into sparks. The flames are so consuming, the flames are of the night for every wave in the surge. If the fog is as strong as the flames, if the wave is stronger than the fog, rock sparks with the fog. Push sparks with the wave, put the wave into the flames. Put sparks into the ocean at the light. The waves at the storm at the night are the sea. Put the sea into Inferno. It is with the tide, without flooding with the sea. It is of the blaze of the tide, powers our destructions. Inferno is between powers, turn it down